Hello everyone. This is a question that I get asked all the time. How do you show a stacked column chart along with the cumulative value? The problem we have right now is four regions and four quarters. Now, if we make a chart, insert chart and select our very first one, we get a clustered column chart. And if we select the second one, we get a stacked column chart. Let's understand what this chart is showing to us. So we have the four regions, north, south, west, and east, and we have the proportion of quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. The problem is that if we add the chart element and put the data label in the center, it will show us the individual number for each of the quarters, but doesn't show us the cumulative value for that particular region. To do this, we will make one more column with the sum value. Once we've done this, we can click on the chart and add this additional column that we've just added. Now the problem here is that it is going to double count. So 102, 147, 190 and 183 adds up to become 622, which is what is shown here on the same stack. But what we want is to show that light blue color independently as an individual column. On chart design, let's go to change chart type, select combo, and I'm going to put my sum on the secondary axis as a column, and all the other four are going to become a stacked column like this. So if you notice, we have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 as a stack, and we have the sum as a clustered column. Once we have done this, you would see that we get a blue bar which is in front of all the individual bars at the back. So we can double click and decrease the gap width a little bit like this. Once we have done that, go to format, apply a shape outline. Let's just choose a gray color. And then we want to remove the fill. So what is going to happen is that it is going to show us the sum of all the four numbers right here. So let me quickly see if we are getting the correct result or not. Just give me a moment. Okay. So we are getting the correct result. The only thing remaining is that the two axes also have to correspond with each other. So we have 700. So this one also has to be 700. So double click and change the maximum to 700. Now we can select the total, which is the sum value, and we can go to chart element, add a data label outside end. And let me also make this data label a little different from all the others. We can apply a fill color. Excellent. And let's change this to total as well. So if you notice, what we have prepared right now is a stacked column chart where we can see four stacks, four quarters for each of the region. But what we have also managed is to see the grand total at the top like this. Now remember, this column that I'm showing to you for the total, if you don't want to show it, you can simply hide it. The reason I keep it is because it looks nice, but if you don't want to show it at all, like you hid the shape fill color, similarly you can remove the outline as well. And the final result will look like this. So you notice that to the end user, it seems as if you only have 102, 147, 190, 183, which are the four stacks, and this floating total value at the top. If you don't want to show two axes from 0 to 700, 0 to 700, you can select the secondary one, double click, and we want to go to labels and set the label position to none. As a matter of fact, we don't even need the primary axis because we already have the numbers as the data label. So same thing, select the primary axis, go to labels, and then set the label position to none. Once you do that, you will get a very clean visualization like this, where you have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 for all the four regions, plus you have that total for each region shown at the top.